Students, class 6, subject chemistry, lesson number 1. What is chemistry about? Now here, previously I had discussed about this lesson. Now here I will discuss according given point is here as written. So one by one I will ask you. First of all, we will discuss is here. Yes, point first. Revision test of the lesson. First from short question answer and from exercise question answer. Now here. And second point we will discuss remain question answer of lesson first. Okay, my dear students. Now here and third. Yes, point is here explanation of lesson 2. So now here shortly we will start lesson number 2 also. So according given topic I will discuss today. So my dear, focus one by one very clearly. And now here given picture related to topic first, second and third according. So yes, first picture, yes, as a revision test of lesson first. Okay, this picture now here. And see another second related to second topic. Yes, this picture previous lesson about remaining question answer of lesson first, long question answer. And now shortly started, I will start now here. Yes, explanation of lesson 2, picture are here and some picture are here. So now according to given point as written here, I will discuss according to now in this video. So properly you will see and observe carefully, my dear students. I hope do you understand. Okay, see and observe. Next, yes, first revision test of lesson first. What is chemistry about? So related some question answer shortly discussed, short question answer, exercise also, yes, true and false also, see and observe. Now this is your test for revision test paper is here, see and observe, question answer is here of class test for revision. See my dear student, class 6 subject chemistry, box 20, lesson first, what is chemistry about. So first question is here, fill in the blanks, 6 marks. So part here, A, chemistry is the science of blank and there blank. So you will fill according right answer, previously I had discussed previous videos. So B, anything that occupy blank and has blank is matter. Third, subpart, a substance does not change in blank change. So you will fill now here proper answer. Second questions, write true or false. Subpart A, alchemists change iron into gold. Yes, it is true or false, you will mark. B, Dalton classified the element into 18 groups. Yes, it is true or false, you will mark. Question number 3, choose the correct options. A, subpart, in which of the following cases does the substance change? 4 answer here, please select and mark it. First, the burning of paper. Second is freezing of water, third is the melting of ice, and fourth is the formation of water vapor. As you will mark here which answer is correct of this question. Another sub questions of lesson number sub part question 3b is who gave the periodic table of elements? Yes, first Boyle, second Mendeleev, third Dalton, fourth Lavoisier. As it you will mark which answer is correct. Yes. So question number 4 and the last. Answer the following question. Yes, answer the question. First, define chemistry. Please give the answer according question. B, what is matter? You will mark, give the answer as it proper. C, who gave the atomic theory? Yes, you will write down answer according. First of all, you will take for class test small copy as a revision copy for test. Okay, another small copy you will take for class test and write down all question answer now here given properly. Okay, my dear student. Yes, you will write down. Please listen carefully. Don't cheat any answer. First of all, separately we will move. Yes, anywhere at room, and there you will take a small test copy. First of all, write down the question answer from now here from videos, and then separately you will take a time yourself and write down proper answer. Yes, so before question answering you will more prepare previous question answer. Already I had discussed previous video, so listen very carefully. Now again you will take a small copy, write down question answer from this video, and in your test copy, small test copy you will take. I have you already taken, so you will write down question answer and separately you will do, yes, in a room. Okay, and you will attempt, okay, proper one by one, and next week I will give the answer of this revision test, okay, for checking of the test, class test, okay, for you, my dear student. Listen carefully and observe, follow the given instruction by me. Okay, thanks for class test and focus, more practice. Again I will start. Okay, thank you, my dear students. Next, see and observe. Yes, now another points now here. Yes, so first of all I will revise now here again previous summary. Okay, and now previous video, and now here shortly I will repeat again if had a problem previously, so that times one by one. See, previously I had discussed what is chemistry about. Now substance, yes, anything that take up space as mass is called matter. Is called matter. Okay, my dear student. Yes, previously I had discussed. Okay, another transformation I had discussed previously. Yes, what is this? So first of all, yes, now here transformation or kind of changes, change take place every moment. They are two kind of. One is physically, another chemically. Yes, now here another topics also written here. Yes, my dear student. Now chemical reaction. Okay, chemical changes in a substance. We say chemical reaction has taken place when carbon, sulfur, cellulose bond. Okay. Yes, many such reactions take place during the cooling of, yes, and meals, the digestion of food and growth of plants and animals. Previously I had discussed. this point also. Okay, and chemical, a substance formed by or used in a chemical reaction is called chemical. Okay, one by one see and observe carefully. Yes, substances. Okay, transformation, chemical reaction, chemical. And now here, yes, so and for example, so many chemical are here. Yes, previously I had discussed. Yes, do you know? First is common fertilizer, do you know? Urea. Another is diammonium phosphate. Another is superphosphate. We will say diammonium phosphate. Another name DAP. Superphosphate of lime ammonium. Okay, superphosphate of lime ammonium nitrate and potassium chloride are all chemicals. Previously I had discussed. Okay, and now here see and observe another point, how chemistry evolve. I will repeat again. Yes, do you understand? The human being have, yes, continuously search for better life. They searched for medicine. Yes, in Egypt saw the beginning of chemistry. Yes, more work together there. They also prepared medicine from the herb and minerals. More scientists' work started from 8th century. Yes, as we will discuss now here. Yes, according to previously. Yes, do you understand? Now another word is here. Yes, in 2 point. Yes, now here is already written alchemy. Alchemy, do you understand? Previously I discussed what? Before the chemistry of today, yes, there was alchemy. The word alchemy derived by the Arab, yes, from the Greek Egyptian word chemia, and alchemy was mainly practiced by the Arab, Greek and yes, Egyptian 16th century. Alchemists had followed 2 aim. Yes, do you understand which type of aim? Yes, I will see and observe another. Okay, next. Yes, even yes, now follow 2 aim. Which type aim? First is what aim? Alchemy MS had followed. Yes, because one is now here converting cheaper metals in gold. Another second, yes, searching for the elixir of life. Okay, my dear students. Yes, converting, yes, all, yes, alchemist. Yes, so now according to converting cheaper metal about here. So my dear student, previously I had discussed searching for elixir of life. What is the means about here? Now converting cheaper metal. Later all these came were provide false. The alchemists failed because their attempt were scientifically wrong. The India had expected iron much before this period. Okay, have you seen? Yes, about here history. Now the Indian iron and steel was well known. If you will see, go now in Delhi, there are, yes, one pillar situated nearby Qutub Minar. Yes, we will see this is iron pillar. Okay, now see this is iron pillar. Okay, and my dear student, now searching for elixir of life. Okay, previously I had discussed what? Yes, human being have always wanted to live long. So alchemists search for the elixir of life. What is the means of elixir? Elixir is an imaginary liquid that would cure all disease and help a person live long. Yes, my dear student. So this is the very important information. Previously I discussed. See and observe and revise yourself one by one. Okay, and thanks my dear student. According to this topic, see and observe another remain. Yes. Okay, now here the one why alchemy failed. The very basic is now here. previously I had discussed the very basics of alchemy were incorrect. Okay, everything is made up of four substances: earth, fire and water, which were called elements. From the 70s onwards, scientists began to discover substance. These the four element theory was disproved. Okay, and now this was the origin of modern chemistry. Yes, classification of elements. So before, now here the beginning of modern chemistry I will discuss now again. Yes, one by one, see and observe. Is that clear? Why alchemists fail? Another, the beginning of modern theory I will repeat. Yes, now point to point we will discuss 100 periods, so many paragraphs. So first is the Lavoisier found that a mixture of hydrogen and oxygen explode when water drop are formed. Another is oxygen had been prepared earlier by the Priestley but was identified by Lavoisier. Another, the several elements were discovered and today the number of 118. Okay, now in a periodic table. Okay, and now so many element will be there as a now, and that another point we will discuss again. When two or more elements combine together, a compound is formed. Which type compound? Just like you will see hydrogen. You will take two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen and combine together. Yes. Example, water H2O. Yes. Combined and formed together. A compound is formed. Example as water. Now, okay, now classification of elements. So many elements under it. Okay, with the help of, yes, there are. Okay, my dear students, do you understand? And another is here. Yes, see and observe. Dalton. Okay, John Dalton. Yes, in 1803, Dalton gave the concept of atom. Yes, he gave atomic theory. Okay, now here introduce about atom. Yes, the smallest parts of an element is made of an atom. All atoms of elements are similar, but the atom of different elements are different. An atom may combine with other atoms of the same elements to form molecules of element. Okay, my dear students, see and observe. Okay, next. Here, yes, Mendeleev, he was the famous scientist. Okay, he was the famous scientist. Okay, and now here, yes, and known as Mendeleev is best known as for classification of elements. Mendeleev present a table called the periodic table of elements. And in now here is, you will see according to given the picture also here related to Mendeleev. Okay, this is the picture and the concept of atom and molecules already discussed. So according one by one is here, see and observe. Now I will repeat again. In 1803, Dalton gave the concept of atom. Is that clear? Yes, see and observe. Mendeleev, and now concept of the atom, and now atom and molecules. I will repeat again, molecules. An atom may combine with other atoms of the same element to form a molecules of elements. So my dear student, previously I had discussed, according now here already revised now and over, see and observe continuously. Okay. Previously I discussed, you will see now here atom arranged molecule in a figure. Hydrogen, yes, now here two atom hydrogen combined together, oxygen two atom combined together, and water. Now here, yes, two atom of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen combined together. Okay, my dear student. Yes, previously I had discussed. If more discussion you will see and observe previous video. Yes, no any problem, see and observe. Okay. Now here, Now, previously I discussed periodic table also. Yes. Okay, Mendeleev presented a table. This type of periodic table divided into 4 blocks: S block, P block, D block, F block. Okay, and now periodic table mainly divided into group and periods. 18 groups and 7 periods. Okay, my dear students, see and observe here previously. Okay. Now again, yes, previously I discussed common laboratory apparatus also. See and observe, I hope, and read carefully and name wise. Yes. Next. Yes, now here exercise also. Previously I discussed, see and observe again. Yes. Next. This short question answer also given previously. Yes, see and observe. Yes, short question answer again. I will repeat again. Define the chemistry. Yes, chemistry is the science of substance and their transformation. Question number 2. What happen the substance after physical changes and happen a chemical changes? Substance does not changes in a physical changes but does so in a chemical changes. What is matter? Anything that occupies space and has mass is called matter. Is that clear? I hope you understand. See and observe again. Yes. Question number 4. What is the base metal? Iron and copper are base metal. Question number 5. What is the metal by the elixir of life? Elixir is a imaginary liquids and would cure the all disease and help a person live long, and elixir of life would make a person immortal. Question number 6. Who was the first to prepare hydrogen and who prepared oxygen for the first time? In 17th century, the first Robert Boyle prepared a gas which as the later identified as the hydrogen in 18, and Lavoisier identified hydrogen and oxygen had been prepared earlier by the first Presley but was identified by Lavoisier. Already previously I had discussed, and now here see and observe carefully. Yes, revise now here again. See and observe. Now, question number 7. Who disproved the 4-element theory of the Greek? Lavoisier proved that hydrogen combined the oxygen to form water, and so water is not an element. So he disproved the 4-element theory. Okay, question number 8. Who put forward the periodic table? A number of elements are gradually discovered, and when the number of become a large, Mendeleev classify them the presentation the periodic table. And the last question, short question. Who gave the atomic theory? The John Dalton gave the atomic theory in 1803. Now, this is the completed previously discussion, and shortly with summary and see and observe another. Yes, my dear student. Now, and second point. Previously starting, yes, I had given now. So now here already written there. Second point, remaining long answer question of the lesson. First, what is the chemistry about? See and observe. Yes, my dear student. Now, lesson number first, what is the chemistry about? Long answer questions. Question number first, write a note on the effect of physical as well as a chemical change on a substance. The answer, they are of two kinds: effect of a physical as well as chemical changes on a substance. First, physical. In a physically changes, there is no change in substance. Example, as a question, is there any change in substance when ice melt, water freeze or water boil? Answer, no substance remain water in all changes. So they are physical changes. And chemical changes in a substance, we say chemical reaction has taken place. Example, when the carbon, sulfur and cellulose one chemical reactions take place. Okay, my dear student. So very easily you will write according to given answer. So question number here 2. What was the aim of alchemist? Did their success and discuss. So alchemists focus on two aims. First is converting cheap metal and cheaper metal into gold, and second searching for elixir of life. But alchemist failed because the very basis of alchemist was incorrect. He accepted the ancient theory everything made up of four substances: earth, fire, air, water, and for first point alchemists failed because their attempt were wrong. Metal cannot be converted in gold. And for second point, experiments were made for many centuries, obviously without any success. Okay, my dear student, you will do according to this answer. Write down in your fair copy this long question answer, question first, question 2 on your fair copy. After short question, you will start continuously long question answer. Previously, short question answer, and then you will start long question answer continuously in your fair copy. Okay, one side copy you will take there, and you will write down first of all short question answer. First of all, write down heading lesson number 1. What is the chemistry about? First of all, previously I had given you short question answer, and then now here you will start continuously long answer questions continuously. Question number 1 as it question number 2. See and observe. I hope do you understand? Yes. Okay. This is now see and again properly observe. Now question number 3. How did Lavoisier disprove the Greek theory of elements? Answer. Lavoisier provide that hydrogen combined with the oxygen to form water, and so water is not an element. He disproved the four element theory. Greek believe that everything is made up of four substances: earth, fire, air, and water. And Lavoisier proved that water itself is made of still simpler substances, hydrogen and oxygen. So water is not an element. Okay, my dear student, according this question, sufficient answer you will write down in your fair copy. Question number 4. Now here, my dear student, listen and yes, observe. In what way did Mendeleev help chemistry advance? The Mendeleev put forward his periodic law, and he classifies the elements on the basis of law. He presented a table called periodic table of elements. He brought similar elements together in a column called a group, and he kept this elements apart, other means in different groups. In modern form of periodic table is shown here 18 groups and 7 periods, and when the number became large, Mendeleev classified them and presented the periodic table. Okay, sufficient answer for this question. You will write properly. Okay, my dear students, see and observe. Again, question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, question number 4. You will write down in your fair copy. Okay, as it question with black pen and answer by blue pen, as it you will write down. See and observe. Next. So I hope this previous lesson second point, the main question are over now, completed. So my dear student, you will write down properly in your fair copy. So now shortly after this I will take third point. Shortly I will start now here lesson number 2. Okay, and we will discuss Class 6 subject chemistry, lesson number 2, the role of chemistry in our lives. It's mean that another word, the role of chemistry in our daily life. See and observe. Yes, one by one. Yes. Shortly I will discuss now according to this lesson. Next time I will explain in detail. First of all, see and observe here. Yes. Now here we will discuss according to paragraph wise. Yes. So this is the first paragraph is here. See. Now here I will observe. Yes. According to this paragraph. Yes. Next. Okay. First paragraph I will take shortly now here. Chemistry is intimately involved with the life process of every living beings. The growth and aging of animal and plants are due to the chemical changes occurring in them all the times. Apart from this, chemistry help us in many other ways. So my dear student, if you will see in your daily life, anywhere, if you will go now, there are, so just like if you will take a food, so we have to depend on, yes, chemistry for food. How? Yes, do you understand? On, as it depend on agriculture. So there are so many uses will be there one by one. I will explain again. So in this paragraph, yes, chemistry and food, first commandment is here written. See and all. This topic, chemistry and food, we will observe first of all. So for food, we have to depend on agriculture to large extent, and chemistry help us produce more crop. Yes, in our daily life need food. So without agriculture, food will not available. Okay, so first of all we will study here point to point according to another way. Yes, do you understand? For food we have to depend on agriculture to a large extent, and chemistry help us for produce more crops. Okay, and crops depend on chemistry. Why? First of all, fertilizer. Okay, main components of agriculture, fertilizer. Okay, without fertilizer will not possible life of growth of plant. Okay, so plant require, yes, adequate amounts, more amount of elements like a nitrogen, phosphorus, zinc. So without chemistry will not possible. Yes, these elements are naturally present in the soil, but they get, yes, depleted shortly and decrease in amount after crop are grown for some year of the same area. So then we have to use organic manure. Okay, so chemical fertilizer to make up for loss the amount of elements. So organic manure is generally obtained from the dung, but chemically obtained from fertilizer. Okay, my dear students, see and observe. Now here we will discuss again, yes, another paragraph. Now it is very most important, fertilizer. Okay, plant require adequate amount of a few elements like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, zinc for purpose, yes, for plant proper growth. So these elements are naturally present in the soil, but they get depleted. Now decreasing in amount, so we will require now here more fertilizer. Okay, and organic manure fertilizer also. So we will take organic fertilizer from cow dung, animal dung, but chemical we will use fertilizer. So for now here some important name up here, which elements fertilizer. Do you understand? It is very most important. Previously I had discussed. So do you understand? Nitrogen. For nitrogen we will use urea. For plant, phosphorus. Yes. Okay, phosphorus. Now we will use for phosphorus for plant. Another fertilizer name is, what the name? Superphosphate of lime, triphosphate of lime. Okay, is that clear? Another nitrogen and phosphorus. Yes, we will use DAP. Another name, diammonium phosphate. Okay, another potassium, potassium chloride. Yes, we will use potassium chloride. Zinc. It is very helpful for, yes, for plant growth. Zinc sulfate, zinc oxide. Okay, my dear students, see and observe. So these are very most important fertilizer for growth of plant. So see and observe carefully next paragraph. So fertilizer are prepared by the industry. Some commonly used fertilizer have been mentioned here. So do you understand? See and observe. Yes, the fertilizer are prepared by the industry. Soil. Now, so this is very important for soil. So some commonly fertilizer, yes, already previous table already given. Okay, is that clear? For it is very helpful for plant. Okay, now soil testing. How do we know which elements a particular soil is identity? Yes, now here you will see. Yes, but it is better for plant. How? Will define with the help of, yeah, without soiling testing will not possible. How do we know which elements a particular soil in? Yes, deficient, very short. Okay, so by analyzing the soil in a chemical laboratory called a soil testing laboratory will be there every district of our country, our state. Okay, so every district available, yes, soil testing laboratory. In our district, Bijnor also laboratory will be there. Okay, my dear student. Now here another topic, pesticide. Yes, do you understand? It is very important. Insect and small animal harm to crops, other plant we grow or called. So there are, so my dear students, we grow or now as an insect or rodent, rat, mice or all pests we are using now. Yes, here. Okay, my dear student, and insecticides and rodenticides to kill them. Okay, and we use now here already about the pesticides related. So many. Now next I will, yes, discuss another point is here. Observe, see next. Okay, now first of all, yes, fungicide to kill the fungi that cause plant disease. Another is herbicides or weedicides to kill unwanted plant. If you will see, go now in your field side in agriculture area. So there are so many crops, will wheat, rice, sugarcane. But after going of the crops, so we will see there are so many small grasses. So unwanted, okay, that is unwanted plant, just like a small grasses. So yeah, the name weeds. So that is, yes, so we will remove with the help of herbicides or pesticides to kill unwanted small plant. So if you will see now here another, yes, it is very most important, my dear student. So and as a group they are called, yes, all are insecticides, rodenticides and fungicides, herbicides, radicides, or as a group they are all called pesticides. They are all the synthesize the chemical with the it is synthesized chemical, and some of them are painted below now as a, if you will see, there are already written type of insecticide chemical also here. So my dear friend, as a group they are called pesticide, they are all synthesized chemical, and same of them now here written as first type insecticide chemical name. Do you understand here? Yes, DDT, yes, endosulfan, aldrin, and methanol, and carbyl, okay, and fungicides, yes, Rymon and Bordeaux mixture, and herbicides, Panjubram and sulfonylure and butadiene. Another is rodenticides, ammonium phosphide. Yes, if you will see, so there are already here written as a chemical name: insecticide, fungicides, and herbicides and rodenticides. Okay, my dear students, see and observe carefully. Okay, next. Yes, another second page of the lesson number 2. Here you will see, yes, forming, okay, and pesticides also here, spray, okay, in the field side. That person see and observe, okay, and crop will be there. Another, so my dear students, in this paragraph we will study, and another, so remember that the pesticides are harmful to the human being and animal. Yes, my dear student, listen very good. Remember always, the pesticide is very harmful, but we will use properly according for, yes, if yes any requirement will be there, so that time we will use very shortly, okay, and don't use more. So use in the order of, in the judiciously proper. Without requirement we will not use more pesticide in agriculture. So it is very helpful for useful for us. So my dear student, okay, otherwise will be harmful. So properly, yes, observe and read carefully, and we will use properly. Okay, next, see and observe. Another, food processing. Okay, we will discuss according to here. Another, yes, point is here, food processing. There is a great demand for ready to eat foods today. Food, if you will see in the picture also here, one picture related from the food factory, another packaging, okay, so yes, uncle chips, another also so many ready-made, okay, food packaging also here. So see, and now we will discuss, yes, now here paragraph wise. See next, yes, food processing. Okay, in this paragraph we will discuss about the food processing. There is a great demand of ready to eat food today. To prepare such food, the material is made to go through a series of physical as well chemical treatments. So my dear student, now here, yes, without chemistry will not possible food processing. Why? Because if you will use any food after some day, we cannot use properly that food, because without chemistry will not possible proper way. So what the way? Yes, without preservative. So without chemistry will not possible any preservative. So now first of all we will study according one by one here. Now the made of go through a series of physically as well as chemical treatment. Another is, second point is here, first point is here, second point is mixed with additives. Now here, okay, so additives that, yes, we will use as a chemically, as a preservative for, yes, food processing. So now this is additives. Okay, another finally packed, and then after preservative we will use packed. So any food. Okay, so all the steps taken together make a food processing. So now here see and observe one by one. Yes, another paragraph. Yes, last line is here. All these steps taken together make up food processing. Additive are chemical used for various purpose. Flavoring agents and preservative are two important classes of additives. So my dear students, see and observe. Additive, what is additive? Additive are chemical used for various purpose. One is, yes, do you understand is here? One is flavoring, another is preservative. Okay, so yes, acetic acid we will use as a preservative for, yes, and now flavoring, salt also, sea salt also for flavoring. See and observe, and acetic acids also for flavoring. See and observe again. Next paragraph. Yes, another paragraph is here. Yes, flavoring agents. What is this? This is flavoring agents. Yes, salt, sweetener. Salt, do you know that is very salty, just like a sea salt. Sweetener, sugar or sugar substitute. Do you understand? Yes, saccharine also another name. Yes, citric acids, vinegar. Okay, this is just like a saw. Now, and alcohol are commonly flavoring agent also here. Is that citric acids, vinegar and alcohol are common flavoring agents. Okay, my dear students, see now a day. Next paragraph line is here. Nowadays the use of salt is avoided. The crude salts obtained from the seawater is the refined the chemical process. Small, yes, amount of the chemical sodium iodide, yes, sodium iodate is mixed with the iodized table salts, which now prevent disease like a goiter. Okay, so another name you will see now here, this type of salt. So another paragraph we will discuss again. Yes, it's very important iodized table salt need for supporting, now helpful for disease. Okay, which prevent disease like a goiter. Okay, is that clear? See and observe carefully in this paragraph. Another is sugar is obtained from, yes, another sugar is obtained, yes, in this paragraph. And the last paragraph we will discuss sugar is obtained from the sugar cane juices, which is, yes, clarified by a chemical method. Sugar substitute or artificially sweetener like a, yes, saccharine. Previously I discussed now here. Yes, saccharine and aspirin and sucrose are all synthetic chemical as a sugar substitute. Okay, and citric acids is obtained from lemon juices, or vinegar is acetic acid mixed with water. So my dear student, yes, vinegar we will use, yes, vinegar is acetic acid, which is acetic acid. So we will take, yes, acetic acid from, yes, sugar cane. Okay, and now vinegar is acetic acid mixed with water. So citric acid is obtained from lemon juices and vinegar is acetic acid mixed with water. So my dear students, see and observe according to given information about related topic one by one. So my dear student, now here over only 2 pages of lesson number 2, and next we will discuss again. I will start in next video lesson number 2 in detail. So now I hope do you understand about the use of the chemistry, about the chemistry. Yes, now in our daily life, use of chemistry for food, for agriculture, the role of chemistry in our shortly introduction of chemistry in use of, yes, in our life, role of chemistry in our life shortly, my dear student. So I hope do you understand requirement. Now more requirements helpful as a chemistry, okay, in our daily life. So I will say again, yes, this is the last comment. I will repeat, the chemistry is involved with the life process of every living being, with the help for our environments, for support. Okay, so next time I will discuss again with shortly, okay, according to this here. So next time I will discuss in detail, my dear student. Thank you for this video. If according to topic wise you will read carefully, okay. Thanks my dear students.